Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the color of the text on your slides or of your slides on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should either select from the slides that you have already created and are listed at this front page, or you have the possibility to create a new slide by tapping on the plus icon down below. So just simply decide which option you want to go with. Now I have tapped on an already existing file. And now just simply tap on one of these slides and then hit the button edit slide in the middle of the screen. Then you should tap on this box and select the part of the text that you want to change the color of the text, and just simply tap on this pencil button. Here, as you can see, this is a highlighter now, so you should select from this scale with a vast variety of colors. And now if you have found the one, just simply select the shape of that color or the shade of that color that you prefer. So click on it, and as you can see, your text has been highlighted. But if you want to change the color of the text itself, tap on this icon down below. And now you can choose from the same scale and the same shades of that particular color that you have chosen. So this color is going to be the color of the text. So if you type in anything new, then you are going to see that it appears in that color that you have chosen. If you go back to this text color option, as you can see, you can see the theme as well. You can select the theme of your text. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.